Hey guys, so the intro that you just watched is when I gave birth newly, when I was trying to lose weight. And yes, so this is one of the secrets and one of the best way which use in losing my weight. I don't do exercise because whenever I finish do exercise, it makes all my body to pain, and exercise is so painful. So if you are not strong doing exercise, so yeah. So one of the things I do is in the morning I take my glass of juice, which is the one that I'm preparing now, not just this one, different type that is good for head. So the first thing I do is I make sure that I look so healthy. I eat healthy, I look good, like food that contains fiber. So eating food that contains fiber is really good for your health. It makes you to lose weight. Eating vegetable, good food, fruit, mango, drinking juice that does not contain sugars, and even if you eat sugars, not all time, okay? Yeah, so this is my new picture that I just took. You see that my new picture is I look so fit and it's so nice. And yeah, so this is what I take. In here we have our apple, ginger, kiwi, and pineapple. So what I do is after blending it and keep everything in my fridge, whenever I'm going to work, I will just take a glass of it, then eat my breakfast. You must eat breakfast, okay? And this is my new pictures as well. If you are the type that is doubting that I am fat because I'm not showing my face, I just took that picture this last week. So I'm going to be showing my face very soon. It's not because of fatness or that, it's because of work. I'm tired. I just came back, and sometimes I'm preparing to go to work. I have to make video and post. You understand? So that's one of the reasons why I don't show my face. And if you want to see my face, you can go to my Facebook page. I do my videos there. I do my live video. Yes. So after that, I'll just put them on my fridge. Then when I'm going to work, I will just take one glass, then eat my breakfast, because breakfast is really important before you go and faint. You understand? So then when I get to work, when I'm tasting of drinking juice, all these things, I will just bring my juice out and drink. Sugar is one of the worst thing that can still cause fatness. Sugar himself is not good, but drinking juice that contains sugars every time can cause fatness, apart from other stuff that it can cause. So it can make you to look so big eating ice cream, juice, all those things. I didn't say you should not drink. Even me myself, I drink. So once in a while I drink, but most of the time I drink my natural fruit. Yeah, this is what I do most of the time. If I want to drink orange, I do it myself. I go to supermarket, buy orange, squeeze it myself, drink it. Those are things that is really healthy. So those one that they preserved is preserved already, sugar, everything is inside. So I drink them though, but once in a while I drink them. Yeah, this is what I drink. This is my juice, and this as well really makes me to lose weight. So when I come back in the evening, I will just eat my food, make sure that I eat early, like 5, like 6, before I will not come and get home from work, and all that should be 6. I will quickly prepare something to eat. Then after eating for some time, like 30 minutes, I will use my waist trainer, because I'm not used to exercise. Exercise makes me to sick. It makes my body to pain me. So I use my waist trainer and all that, okay? Please guys, just subscribe, so whenever we upload video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye.